napapadalas na yung pag-build mo at medyo nahihirapan ka ng i-maintain yung cleanliness ng desk or build station mo, you will love Hobby Mio's desktop vacuum cleaner. In regards to the packaging, protektado siya ng hard carton box with Hobby Mio's signature styling. Sa loob, andun yung vacuum mismo, manual at decal sheet kung trip mong madagdagan yung details ng unit. Take note that it needs 2 AA batteries to run which are not included in the package. The build feels sturdy, komportable sa kamay at hindi siya flimsy. May brushes din sa ilalim para mas effective mag-collect ng dust at knobs. Sakto rin yung laki niya sa kamay kaya easy to hold and use. Tapos it is small enough that you can put it near your desk so you can grab it anytime na gagamitin mo siya. Yung battery compartment is nasa taas. Tapos yung dust tray naman nasa baba. Both can be opened by turning it counterclockwise. So tinest ko siya gamit yung mga knobs na nakolek ko and as you can see, malakas yung suction. Kaya niyang sipsipin yung mga knobs at alikabok with no difficulty. This is perfect for keeping your desk clean and pwede mo siyang gamitin after each build session. Overall, this vacuum is the perfect desk body para sa ating mga builders na gusto laging maayos at malinis yung build station. And if you want to keep your station clean as well, you can check it out at Hobby Mio's website which you can check down in the description.